Hi friends, welcome back to our channel, where we explore the enchanting world of interior design. Today we embark on a journey to discover the timeless elegance of shabby chic home decor. In this comprehensive guide, we will dive deep into the essence of shabby chic style, uncovering its origins, key elements, and practical tips for incorporating it into your own home. Whether you are a seasoned decorator or a newcomer to the world of design, join us as we explore how to transform your living space into a haven of vintage charm and understated luxury. We will examine the essential elements that define shabby chic decor, from distressed furniture to soft pastel colors and delicate floral patterns. We will explore how these elements work together to create the signature look and feel of shabby chic interiors. We will also discuss the importance of textures, layering, and vintage accent in adding depth and character to your home decor scheme. We will offer practical tips and advice for incorporating shabby chic style into your own home. Whether you are looking to revamp an entire room or simply add a touch of vintage charm to your existing decor, we will provide step-by-step guidance on how to achieve the desired effect. From searching antique furniture to mixing and matching patterns, colors, and textures, you will learn how to create a cohesive and harmonious shabby chic aesthetic that reflects your personal style and taste. We will explore how to apply shabby chic style to different rooms in your home, from the cozy comfort of the bedroom to the inviting warmth of the living room. We will showcase a variety of design ideas and decorating techniques tailored to each space. Whether you prefer a romantic and feminine vibe or a more rustic and eclectic look, you will find plenty of inspiration to help you transform any room into a stylish sanctuary. We will provide an in-depth exploration of shabby chic style, tracing its origins and evolution. We will dive into the historical influences that have shaped this aesthetic, from the romanticism of 19th century English cottages to the eclectic bohemian spirit of 1960s. By understanding the roots of shabby chic style, you will gain valuable insights into its characteristics and ethos. For those who love getting hands-on with their decor, we will share a selection of DIY projects and upcycling ideas that embrace the ethos of shabby chic style. From refurbishing old furniture to creating unique vintage-inspired accessories, you will discover how to unleash your creativity and breathe new life into tired and forgotten items. As we conclude our journey through the world of shabby chic decorating, we hope you have been inspired to embrace this timeless aesthetic and infuse your home with its unique charm and character. Whether you are drawn to the romantic nostalgia of days gone by or simply crave the understated elegance of shabby chic style, there's no limit to the creative possibilities and await you. So gather your favorite vintage finds, unleash your inner decorator, and let the magic of shabby chic transform your home into a sanctuary of beauty and grace. This video contains a lot of decorating style, so watch this video till the end. If you like this shabby chic decorating style, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more home decorating tips and inspiration, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you soon in the next video. Till then, happy decorating.